The ecological footprint is a measure of how much nature we use.
Okoljski odtis je biološka produktivna površina Zemlje ter morja in kazalec trajnostnega razvoja. Merimo ga v globalnih hektarjih.
So it turns out on Earth we only have one, and there's about 12.2 billion hectares of area on Earth that can produce things that humanity consumes. It means there's about 12.2 billion hectares of bioproductive land. When you divide this by the number of people on Earth, that means there's about 1.7 hectares of productive area on Earth for humanity per person, and that's about the size of 2 soccer fields or 2 football fields.
Okoljski odtis je odvisen od življenjskega sloga ljudi v primerjavi z biološko zmogljivostjo Zemlje.
At a global level, it says that we use 1.7 times more of our planet than our planet can regenerate every year. This is very important because it's not sustainable. We don't know how long this can continue for, but if we treat this like a bank account, we know that we can't spend more than we earn every year. And we've been doing this to nature since the 1970s. On average, the world's footprint is increasing every year. The per capita footprint is fairly stable. Currently, the carbon footprint is the largest footprint category, and it's also increasing the fastest. Slovenia's ecological footprint is about 4.8 global hectares. Compared to its biocapacity, it's about double. So this means it takes about 2 Slovenias to support the consumption of Slovenians and the waste that is produced in Slovenia. Over the last 10 years, we've seen a slight decrease in the footprint trend. Some of this is due to the economic recession, but some of it is also due to improvements in energy systems. In the more recent several years, it's projected that the footprint is actually increasing slightly. And this is concerning because we want to keep this downward trend.
Bodi sprememba, zmanjšaj svoj okoljski odtis. Kako? Kolesari. Uporabljaj javni prevoz. Souporabljaj avtomobil. Kupuj lokalno. Preklopi na zeleno energijo. Ločuj odpadke. Ne kupuj, česar ne rabiš. Ne kupuj, kar ni trajnostno. Kakšen dan se lahko odpoveš mesu.